Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to share Walmart Plus with family. Let's begin. To share your Walmart Plus membership with family or friends, there is no built-in feature like other subscription services offer. However, there is a workaround. What you can do is simply share your Walmart Plus account credentials, your email and password with the family member or friend you want to share it with. But it's important that you both live in the same household or at least the same general area. If you live far apart, it could cause issues while trying to use the service. To begin, open the Walmart Plus website or app and start your free 30-day trial if you haven't already. Then enter your phone number or email along with your password to sign in. Once signed in, anyone with those login details will have access to the benefits of the Walmart Plus account. If someone is sharing the account with you, they should make sure to use it responsibly. Avoid changing account settings or passwords unless you are the primary account holder. This method is simple and effective for families or roommates living together who want to enjoy Walmart Plus services without needing multiple subscriptions. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.